Oh, my friends, Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. We're going to be doing about a 10-minute killer core with some cardio workout. No weights, no machines. This is designed for anybody, but make sure you have the endurance, you have the control when you're doing the exercises. Always good control, good through line of action. And if you're with me today, if you're doing it with me right now, please check in below. And I know you're here. Okay, I'm going to talk like that. Yes, my name is George McFly. Okay, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. All right, you ready? Let's take I'm wasting precious breath talking. I'm going to start here with a couple deep breaths. Here we go. All right, in the nose and out the mouth. One more time. Okay, this first sequence, some beautiful ab work. Let's come down onto our backs. Feet flat, shoulders back and down. Let's do some heel taps back and forth. Crunching the sides. Bring your feet closer together for more of a contraction in the sides. And keep going. I'm going to do 10 breaths. 4, 5, 6, I'm on 8 of my breaths. Do as many as you can with good form in this time. One more time. One more breath. Okay, now steering. Take the legs out, zip up the legs. Here's your steering wheel. Let's pull side to side. Ooh, keeping the control, really pull back and forth. Let's do 20 more. 1, 2, 3. You can take your legs lower if you want. Oh, 5, 6, 7. That's the killer part. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. You still with me? 19, 20. Scissors crisscross. Fingers to the back of the head. 20 times. 1, 2. Lift your chest. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How does that feel? 18, 19, 20 now. 20 reverse. Scissors crisscross. Bring the elbow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Reach for the sky. Pull those abs in. Lift your tailbone up a little bit. 5 breaths. Each exhale, lift. We only have about 10 minutes, but we can pack so much, my friends. So many things in 10 minutes. Okay, now side to side, plank jumps. 20, let me give you a little angle here. Plank position, jumping side to side, exhale, inhale back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bend in the knees when you go back if you like. 5, 6, 7. That's good, isn't it? 8, 9, 10. A little faster. 12, 13, 14, 15. Really works the legs too. Oh, yes. How many is that? Let's do one more. And back. Okay, a little stretch. Child's pose for just a moment. We've got this cool Reach for the Sky series here coming up. Stretch out the spine. How you feeling? Get that heart rate up. Everybody's happy. Everyone's feeling good. I'm like a master of ceremonies here. What are we doing? Yes. Reach for the sky. 5 breaths. A little repeat, a rerun. What's a rerun? What movie is that from? Comment below when you're done. Good. Tremendous pressure on the abdominals now. Hollow back, also called extreme bow. 5 breaths. Just film this. Which video was that? A little variation of this. Okay, now the banana. Roll it all the way down. Legs in front, arms forward. Hold 5 breaths. Stabilize and balance. The banana. Not gonna fall for no banana tailpipe. Okay, I said it. I'm glad I did. Hitting the 80s movies today. Every time you exhale, pull those abs in. Now, Superman, 5 breaths. We toast the whole posterior chain. Build it, strengthen it, sculpt it. Okay, now banana on the other side. We scooch a little bit here. There we go. 5 breaths. Oh, balance. There we go. One more breath. We got it. All right, now roll onto your backs. Reverse. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. 5 breaths or arms over the head. You can take your head down for a moment if you need to, or place a pillow underneath, up to you. All right, oh, man, legs up, 5 breaths. Reach for the sky, lift the tailbone up. Notice I'm going up this way, I'm not going this way. Straight up now, tell me. Do you really want to train with me forever? Because I gotta know. Flatten those abs. Ooh. Okay, up. Shake it out. Kick throughs. All right, quick shake out here. Keep that neck loose. Want your body to be limber as you're going through these exercises. Always limber and strong. Okay, plank position. It's very dry in here. And when you're ready, you step to the side and kick. Go back. Other side, kick. I'm going to start with this one, kind of a walking kick through. You can go to the side like so, or kick forward as well. I'll do a little variation on both. I'm going to step it up here in a moment. You can stay with this if you wish. A lot of moving parts. Excellent. Cardio core. HIIT exercise. And if you like it, just go back and forth. Watch. Kick, kick. 10 seconds. Two and 1. Oh, oh. Up dog, let's stretch. Stretch the abdominals. Hands around the shoulders, lift up. A little back and forth. Get the breath. Ooh, I'm snotting, okay. Or am I? Oh, so nice. Okay, stretch it back. Little back stretch here, lengthen the spine, 2 breaths. We're gonna finish with Pilates push-ups with Supermans. Oh yes. Okay, we'll do 5 of these. Standing position. Shake it out. There's a few more in here. We'll do them next time. What do you think? There's always the next time. Back edge of your mat or the floor. Can you see me? Okay. 5 times we're going to dive down. Big stretch. Walk out, plank. Lower. Superman. Plank. Walk back. Big stretch, spine stretch. Forward fold. Rise up. Shoulders back and down. You got it? 4 more times.
So get all this core and strength building with flexibility training and control. And back. Okay, 3 more, my friend. So good. We do it together in real time. We're not breaking it up. So I'll get those same benefits and results at the same time. 2 more. Noch 2 mehr, bitte. Control as you lower down. And up. Walk back. Build that spine. 1 rung at a time. That shirt tuck is not working. 1 more time. Dive with the crown of the head. Walk it out. Lower slowly. It's called a hover. We do a lot of these in my power yoga classes and videos. Superman, 2 breaths. Up. Walk it back. How's your control? Are you feeling this in everywhere or in certain areas? Couple shoulder rolls. Brilliant workout, my friends. Finish it off. Once again, upward facing dog. Stretch out the abdominals. And that was one heck of a workout. Check in below. I appreciate it, my friends. God bless.
Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.